Hi everyone, how awesome would it be to be able to give your students a video to watch and know that they're not going to be distracted by what else they might be able to see? If you send a student to YouTube to watch a video, how often do we look over and see they're not actually watching what we wanted them to? What they're actually doing is clicking around and a whole lot of other things that look, let's be honest, quite tempting to them, but it's not where we want them to be. How can we solve that problem? Well, by inserting a video into a Google Doc and having them watch it right there in that Google Doc space can be one way that we can solve this problem. Takes them away from YouTube and keeps them focused on their work. Now, exactly how would we do that? The first thing we would need to do is create a new Google slide. The reason we begin with a slide is because we need a tool that will host the video. A Google Doc on its own can't do this, so the workaround is to embed the video into a slide first. I've got one ready here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to name it. So this is going to be about decimal addition because I'm going to make a hyperdoc where the students can go back and get some information about how to add decimals that they can watch by themselves, be an independent learner, have some student agency while I'm perhaps working with some other students. By naming this decimal addition, I know that this is going to host the video I want them to watch. So firstly, create my slide. Go to Insert, Video, and you can see there's an option here to insert from YouTube by the URL. So in YouTube, I have the video here. I've already done some homework, found the one I want, so I copy the URL and I paste it in. Click the search button, no videos found. There's a good lesson in making sure that you actually copy the URL correctly. Go back. That's not the URL of the video. Here's the URL of the video.
Hi, fifth graders. Welcome to...
So I copy that, paste that into my URL, search it, and this time it comes up correctly. Select it and drop it in, and there's my video. Now, Google gives you some options to do with this video. Click on your video options. I know that this video is 19 minutes long and I don't want the students to have to watch all of that. I want them to be able to start it at about 29 seconds and I want them to be able to finish it at about 9 minutes and roughly 29 seconds, which is what it was when I previewed it. We don't want them having to watch a whole lot of things they don't need. So what this means now is that when they watch this video, it's going to start at 29 seconds. And once it gets to, lucky we checked that, once it gets to 9 minutes and 29 seconds, it's not going to let them watch anymore. My next step, once it's highlighted, clicked on, I need to copy that. So I'm on a Mac, Command C, or you could go Edit and Copy, and then go to the document that you want to put it into. Here's my hyperdoc that I'm building for them. You need to make sure the cursor is exactly where you want the video to go. It's going to drop in wherever you've got the cursor. There's two steps to this. Insert a drawing. And once your drawing pad is active, paste your video in. So I did Command F on my Mac. And there it's put the video into a drawing and it's actually copied the whole format. So that's actually a video that will play. Save and close, and there it is in my document. Now I've given the students instructions so they know what to do. I've said double click on the image to open the video in a Google drawing. In this case it's a singular video. Double click again and then they can be able to watch it. When you first put it in, it can take a few minutes for it to render, so if it doesn't work straight away, just be patient. Students double click on it, they open the drawing, and here's the video. They didn't have to go near YouTube. They watched exactly the video that you want them to watch. They're not mucking around, clicking tabs and being in other places. They can be way more focused on doing what you want them to do. So when they click on that play button,
longs to model 10,
there's the video and they can watch it there. When they finish,
You're encouraging
save and close it,
independent learning
and it's back in the
providing
doc.
point of reference
Now, how
that you know
easy
is
was that?
helpful.
Put
Give
the
it a go
video
and
straight
share
in
the
the
idea
doc,
with your colleagues.
keep the students
The more
focused,
opportunities we
and
can
give them
provide
that
for our
student
students to be
agency.
in control of their own learning, the more effective it will be for them.